Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo DS games on Wii U. First, you will need a Wii U console with access to the internet and a working SD card, preferably one with at least 8 GB of storage capacity. Before proceeding, it is crucial to back up any important data currently on your Wii U. This ensures your existing game saves and system settings are safe, just in case anything unexpected happens during the process. Installing custom firmware is the foundational step for enabling DS game playback on your Wii U. This typically involves accessing a specific website through your Wii U's internet browser, which then triggers the custom firmware installer. While the process is generally straightforward, it is essential to follow a comprehensive, well-regarded online guide precisely. This ensures the firmware is installed correctly, paving the way for further modifications and game enjoyment. Next, you will need to obtain the digital game files for your favorite Nintendo DS titles. The most legitimate way to do this is by converting your existing physical DS cartridges into digital copies using specialized hardware or software. Once you have these files, which are typically around 128 megabytes to 512 megabytes in size, place them into a specific folder on your SD card. This organized approach prepares your games for the next crucial step. With your custom firmware installed and game files ready, the next step is to inject these DS games directly into your Wii U menu. You will use a specialized homebrew application, often called a VC injector, which automates this process. This tool takes your DS game file and packages it as a virtual console title, creating a new, playable icon on your Wii U's main screen. It simplifies access, making your favorite DS games feel native to your console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.